we're staying a night in Williams, Arizona, and we're coming to the historic district here to find a place to eat. Pine Country restaurant, I think. My husband has fond memories of eating chicken fried steak here in the past, so we're gonna check this out. And the train station, well, you can't see it right now because I'm in a parking lot, but there's a train station here that takes the Grand Canyon Railway up to the Grand Canyon that I've never ridden, but I'm interested in. And there is a zip line, a Route 66 zip line that goes right above us. I'll show you in a second as well. A really nice looking brewery right there, Historic Brewing Company, Barrel House. Next time. Williams is happening tonight. This is the Route 66 memorabilia. There's tons of it. There's lots of cool shops and places to eat here. Okay guys, they're doing it. They're gonna ride that zip line. It's $12 a piece. When they ride together. If two are riding together, it's $12 a piece. If one person is riding by herself, it's $15. This is our evening in Williams. Tomorrow we're heading up to the Las Vegas area. We're going to stop at the Hoover Dam and take you along for that drive tomorrow.